Hi Anthony, I just wanted to say thank you. You and your products have added so much to my life. My health, my hair, my mentality is so much better since I've switched to using all Morrocco Method products. And I can't really thank you enough, but what I can do is wish you a very, very happy birthday. And I hope that your birthday today makes you feel as special as you make me feel every day. And thank you so much for this hair. I mean, this is all you.
Happy birthday, Mr. Morrocco. Wishing you all the health and happiness in the coming year.
Happy birthday, Mr. Morrocco.
Happy birthday, Anthony Morrocco. To many more years teaching people about hair.
Hi, Mr. Morrocco. I just wanted to wish you a very happy 80th birthday. I hope that you have a wonderful day and a fantastic year.
Hi, Anthony Morrocco. I just want to wish you a wonderful happy birthday and thank you so much for creating such a wonderful company with such beautiful products that can be used for like pets, and I use it for my kids, and just been using this wonderful company and your products for probably 14 years now, if not more, and just want to thank you for all that and for all that you continue to do, and I hope you have a wonderful birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy 80th birthday, Mr. Morrocco.
Happy birthday, Anthony.
Happy birthday.